What is the biggest flower of the world? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It's Rafflesia. So let's have a look on the second question. Tell me, what is the national flower of Thailand? Yes, it's Cassia fistula. Did anyone know about South Korea? Okay, then tell me, what is the national flower of South Korea? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It's hibiscus. So let's have focus on the fourth question. Tell me, what is the national flower of Poland? Yes, it's corn poppy. So let's have focus on the fifth and the last question. Tell me, what is the national flower of Netherlands? Yes, you are correct. It's tulip. Do you know that in springtime,